Today I'm going to continue my series called One Day, One Picture, and let's get going. Today we are going to draw a sparkle. Yes, a sparkles that we always have. But see here, there's the tip. Well, anyway, so today we are drawing a sparkle, but instead of baby sparkles, we are going to do stars, normal stars. Okay, phew, I hope I explained it well. Okay, so now doing the 24, because it's 24th of January, it was a month ago. It was Christmas was already a month ago. So sad. I want Christmas back. I want my Christmas back. That's what I want. So anyway, this time we are going to do it the normal way for objects. First face, then sun. Because this time while I was drawing it, and if somebody didn't know, I always draw my drawings for here so that I can just copy, so I don't have to think of anything. Well, yeah. So while I was drawing, I didn't have space for the eyes, for the face itself. So yes, we are starting with the face. Well, the cheeks got squished a bit. So yes, face. Eye. And it won't be like the panda. No, I'm going to color it. But that would be good with this one. So okay, now with this face. This and cheeks, like a little bit away. So here I want like this, and like this, and like this, a long line. Ooh, good. That turned out well. Okay, so now for the stars. So 1, curl, 2, curl, 3, curl, 4, curl, 5, curl, and color like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Color. Here I'm going to just add details because, well, this time just not so pretty as I wanted it to be. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. I'm going over it again so it's like a little more chunky. So now I wanted this normal stuff, a little one. So like this. And now time for the dots. Dotty dots. The little dots that have been already in every picture except this one, which is day themed. So no sparkles, no dots. Very sad, I know. Super sad. I'm super sad. Okay, so for today we finish. Oh, tomorrow we'll have to do like the line by myself. Oh, I'll use this. Just kidding. I don't know. I'll think of it tomorrow when I'm getting ready. So yes, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget the likes, comments, and subscribes. Don't forget these 3 things. Never, ever. Don't forget them. Never, ever forget them. That's what I want to say. So yes, thanks for watching. Enjoying this picture with me. Thanks for staying around. Bye.